Hello, my name is Donnie. I'm from Chicago. I'm a trucker and a pistol instructor at GMV Armory. This is my testimonial. What are your initial thoughts and concerns about the full conceal? Well, I wonder can it live up to the challenge? I put about 600 rounds through it. Okay, what problems did you have in your previous concealed carry pistol? Okay, I wanted to carry really a backup. My main pistol is a Glock 30S, but I wanted to carry my Glock 19 as a backup. But I didn't want to carry almost two full size pistols. So then I saw this full conceal. What made me decide to purchase full conceal? I'm a Glock fanboy. I have about 12 Glocks. How does full conceal add value to my life? It's a backup and more rounds. What are some things that surprise you about full conceal? That it actually works. I put it through a lot of testing. I slammed this thing back and forth about 100 times, almost trying to break it. So it works for me. Would you recommend full conceal to others? Yeah, I have recommend full conceal to others. Most people here in Chicago never seen one and don't know what it looks like. When I pulled it out, they're shocked to see it. A folding Glock 19. Other comments at your discretion? Well, I don't have no other comments, but full conceal is worthy of my confidence. Thank you.